Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we will discuss how you can use assign partner option in the business manager of Meta and how you can use it for getting access from the client without getting any email. As you know, there are a lot of person who will use the traditional method like you will go to the people section and then you will put their mail there on which particular person you want to give the access. You can add their mail in the people section and then you can give the access as well. But there is another alternative of doing that as well, and in that particular thing you don't need to give mail and they don't need to accept it. You can do it just in a quick 2 minutes, and that will be easy for us to segregate and that will easy for us to manage the campaigns in a better way. So in today's video I will let you know how you can do that, how can use the assign partner option which is present in the Meta Ads account. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. As you can see, now we are on the business manager settings option in the Meta Ads account, like Meta Ads manager. So in the business settings, first of all, let's start with this. If you heard about that, when we need to give assign, basically when we need to give access to our business manager to any other person, what we can do is the traditional way is to just go to the people section and then click on the invite people button, and then you can put your mail here, and after that you can click on the next button and assign thing. This is the traditional method which we always use to give access to other person of your business manager so that they can access your ad account, page, pixel and create campaigns or other thing as well. But there is another way to doing that same thing that will be much easier and that will be much, you can say, a less in process, because when you do this thing, a mail shoot to that person Gmail and then they will click on that, and after that they will accept it. Once they will accept it, then they get the access. But you can do it in just 2 minutes in a very short way. You can give the access of your ad account in a direct way without giving any mail notification or other things. And let me show you. As you know, every business manager have a business info section at the top, and at the business info section they have a business portfolio ID, as you can see. So how you can use it? You can use it this particular business ID. As you can see, this is a different business manager, this is a different business manager. So what you can do is you can like copy that ID, just copy it, and if you want to give the access of that person to your page, what you can do is you can go to the page section and click on the assign partner, and they ask for business ID. You can click on that, and once you will put the business ID here and like give accesses which you want, like I need to give full access of that this page to the person. So as you can see, now all the accesses has been assigned, and once I click on that, this particular business manager will get the access of the page here, and without giving any email, without giving any particular steps to client, you can definitely directly do this with the help of business portfolio ID. In the same way, if you want to give access of your ads account to the other person, you just need to have their business portfolio ID, as I have already it. So you need to ask them their business portfolio ID, and they can get it from this particular option. And the business info section, they will get their business info ID. So once they get it, what will happen is you just need to go to the ads account section, and there is a assign partner button as well. So here you just need to put it, and after that click on that particular manager account, assign it, and they will get that access on their business manager. So this is the easy way. They don't need to do anything, as they will easily get the access without giving any notification, without adding the people mail to your business manager, and that is less risky. As you know, people are nowadays giving the access through this particular option, but yes, due to that the hacking problems are coming in. That is why Meta has shown this particular assign partner option as well, which will be easier and secure as well. And in the same way, if you want to give them your data pixel access, as I want to give them the data pixel access, so I can do it from the partner section. I will just put my partner ID here and we can assign it here as well. So this is how you can, because these are the three things: ads account, page and pixel. These are the main things. If you want someone to create your campaigns, you just need to give these three details, so you can easily do it from here. So this is how you can send access without adding their Gmail to your business manager, just by assigning the business ID in the assign partner button. And this is how you can use the assign partner option in the Meta Business Manager. So I think now you can easily assign your accesses to your clients, your teammates and other persons as well in the same way. And if you have any query and concern regarding, then you can definitely connect with me to the number flashing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.